What I'm doing here today is installing a tonneau cover on a pickup truck. Well, there's several different manufacturers out there. They're all pretty much the same. So this one here comes with a foam strip that we're going to put on this front edge of our box here. And you need to wipe it off. Make sure it's clean before you install this. Also, you'll need a scissors to make sure that you cut it to the right length. Next, we're going to take the cover here, clear down on the front. And next, we're going to put the rails on. Okay, this particular one, it has a little notch there. It slides in here. Push that all the way up. Then take an Allen key, tighten that screw up. Okay, got that nice and tight. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, next what we're going to do to make sure that the rail is properly adjusted, we're going to go ahead and close our tailgate. And then we're going to go and put one of the clamps together, just very loosely. Okay, so there's the tailgate. There's a slight gap there, but it's nice and tight on the front. We're going to go and put the clamps on, just lightly tighten them. Okay, got all the clamps on there lightly done. I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. Okay, got it in there. I'm going to go and pull it down here, lock it down. Okay, happens to be a little tight there. There is a little gauge right here. We're going to go and loosen up 2 bolts in here and slide that back so it'll lock down easier. Okay, after a little bit of adjusting there, fits in there nicely. So, last thing we'll do, take and roll this back up, and then take all of our clamps and tighten those up.